Yo, what is up everybody? I thought I'd make a video today because I'm feeling quite grateful. Just had a weekend in Derby shooting a festival and just going to gigs, drinking, just sort of having fun in the sun, lots of networking, all that kind of stuff. And it's all possible to do easy, cheap and fun because of this van. Like just being able to sleep in this van, chill in this van, edit, charge some stuff in it, all that kind of stuff, and then come to the most beautiful place in the world is where I'm staying tonight. So I've just come to Stanage Edge to park for the night, and the sunset tonight is going to be incredible. So yeah, we've done 2 nights in the van, and I will be sleeping at Stanage Edge tonight, and I'll be sleeping at Agden Reservoir tomorrow, and then probably going home for a little bit to sort of chill out. But I've done quite a lot in the van. Like, in fact, looking at it now, I've done way more in the van than I thought I have. So I'm going to show you what I've done. First up, check out this. So I made a door with a mirror. So we've got a mirror on the door, made out of pallet wood, to my storage. And obviously this is all done, you've seen this. We have this on now. We've done all of this as well. But this is a game changer. It means I can just throw stuff up there and then just cut it in, lock it in. And then we have these as well. So more storage that I've built just next to the bed. And then at the back, I've gone and bought a tapestry, which just really brings home this back of the van. Like, it doesn't feel shit. But yeah, quite a lot done in the last sort of week or so on the van. Soon I will be doing the electrics, so I'll be moving them backwards and bordering it up a little bit better. I'm going to build a little cabinet so that they can go in there safely. I'm going to clad all of this up, and I'm going to build a overhead cabinet here for all my food and all my spices. Down here is going to be a spice rack, all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to clean this corner up a little bit. And then gas and water system, and then we're in it. Kinda 2 months to do all that, easy, and then we're in it. And then obviously it's never finished, so there's always going to be additions, but it's very exciting. But today we are going to focus on where we are, what we're doing. Just finished a shoot in Derby. We have salmon, noodles, stir fry and a beautiful sunset tonight, hopefully, fingers crossed, as it always is up here. So I'm going to cook, eat some food and just chill out, watch some Netflix. Oh, I've got a new light as well, which is under here. Highly recommend these for ambient light. Just a big ball and you can change colour, and it's perfect. So much nicer than these overheads. So this is the current sunset. I'm gonna eat first and then go up to Stanage and watch it properly. Right, so I still have to use my crap stove, and then by next week I'll actually have my hob set up. So here is my cooking setup for today, and here is my pan. So we have a very simple meal today that has been frozen in my fridge because I've put it on too cold. Basically we've got noodles, some harissa salmon, and just some stir-fried vegetables and some hoisin sauce. And it's all just going to go in this pan and be very nice. So I keep doing this thing where I completely forget to pack plates and bowls. I've moved everything else into the van, so I have like cutlery, I have like toiletries, stuff like that. So I have like van stuff and home stuff. For some reason I don't bring plates. So I highly recommend separating van life and home life before you move into the van. This to me is literally like my dream. Like, I'm sat Stanage Edge making salmon noodles from my fridge, listening to some music, and I'm working and I'm making money doing it. It's like, I still need to pinch myself, and I'm not even like in it. Like once I'm in this van properly, I'm gonna be the happiest person ever. Right, this sun is crazy right now. You can see the whole sun. Like, I'm just gonna eat in the driver's seat so I can just sit and watch this. This is incredible. So excited for van life and also winter. This is insane. I'm literally sat with my food on the driver's seat. And I'm just sat in the front seat watching sunset. So it's quite cold out today. Even though it's like midsummer, it's actually quite cold. This sunset is insane. I know I keep saying, I feel like I'm in the Sahara or something. Like you can see the whole sun. Like, do you know when you can just look at the sun because it's like misty and it's just full? It's crazy. And I'm just here eating my salmon noodles, watching sunset, and then I'm gonna go on a walk and then I'm gonna do some work. Like, what the hell is my life? Okay, I'm not even gonna lie, right? And I'm not tooting my own horn. That was banging. I don't know if it's because of where I am. That food was banging. I made like a little seasoning thing. So in here, it's like salt, pepper, paprika, garlic, chili, ginger, like everything. Like every spice I had is thrown into this. And I just put it in everything. And then hoisin, noodles, vegetables, salmon. Unbelievable. And then sat watching sunset. I'm now gonna go walk up Stanage. So I might vlog on my phone, or I might just see you when I'm back at the van. Good morning. Slept really well today. But the weather is horrific. Super windy, super rainy, clouds everywhere. And I've just checked the weather app, and it's not getting any better. So I don't know if I can be bothered to go and stay at Agden tonight, because tomorrow I'm quite busy, so I'm gonna have to go to Agden and then come back home and then sort loads of stuff out and then go again. So I might just have to call it here. But it's been a really, really fun weekend. Like really fun. Like two nights in the van, a festival, a gig, Stanage Edge, sunset, salmon noodles. The van is feeling more homely every day. The upper storage like really helps. Like having a mirror and having somewhere I can just throw stuff and then just shut it in is really helping. Like I miss running water. That's one thing that I do miss. And I'm going to set up the stove, so the next video that you see, the stove will 100% be set up. It looks quite simple to do, and then I'll get the sink in and I'll get some water in, and then who knows where we're going to be. I'm starting to do like design things before I'm starting to do practical things at the minute. But thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.